Hiver is a popular help desk software that's designed to streamline support operations, but before you decide to buy, there are some things you should know. Stick around to the end to learn how it compares to alternatives and why it might or might not be the best choice for your business. First, Hiver integrates directly with Gmail. This is great if your team already uses Gmail for communication, as it allows you to manage customer support without leaving your inbox. It's a huge advantage for small teams, but for larger companies, managing a high volume of tickets inside Gmail can get overwhelming. Next thing, Hiver is built to make collaboration easy. It allows teams to share email accounts and assign conversations to different team members, making it simple to keep everyone on the same page. However, if you're looking for more complex collaboration features or deeper integrations with CRM tools, Hiver might not be the best fit compared to platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk. The third thing you need to know is that Hiver is known for its simplicity. It's a solid choice if you need something that's quick to set up and easy to use. But this simplicity comes with limitations. If your business requires advanced workflows, custom reports, or automated tasks, Hiver may not provide the depth that larger help desk platforms offer. Moving on, one of Hiver's strong points is its shared inbox functionality. You can set up team inboxes to keep all support emails in one place. This eliminates confusion and makes it easy for team members to follow up on tickets. But it lacks the robust ticketing systems that competitors like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk offer, which have better ways of categorizing and prioritizing support requests. The fifth thing to consider is its reporting capabilities. Hiver provides basic reports like ticket volume and response times, but if you need deeper analytics or customizable reports, you might find it lacking compared to other platforms with more powerful reporting tools. Next thing, Hiver supports integration with a wide range of apps like Slack, Salesforce, and more. But while it does have integrations, it doesn't have the same level of native features or external integrations that larger platforms like Zendesk or ServiceNow offer, which may be a deal breaker for larger companies needing more extensive customization. The seventh thing is that Hiver is known for its excellent customer support. You can reach out to them through email, chat, and phone support, but compared to bigger solutions, their support team might not always be as readily available 24/7, especially if you're operating in different time zones. The eighth thing to note is its pricing. Hiver is priced on a per-user basis, which can quickly add up as your team grows. This pricing model can be expensive for larger teams compared to alternatives like Zoho Desk, which offers more flexible plans. The ninth thing is that Hiver offers limited automation capabilities. While it can automate basic workflows, it doesn't provide the level of customization and automation that more feature-rich platforms offer. If automation is a key part of your support process, you might want to consider platforms like Freshdesk or Help Scout that provide more comprehensive automation options. The 10th thing is security. Hiver offers good security measures, including two-factor authentication, but larger enterprises might require more advanced features like single sign-on or more stringent data compliance measures, which competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk provide. Next, Hiver provides a smooth mobile app, which makes it easier for your team to manage support tickets on the go. However, it's not as fully featured as some other help desk mobile apps, like those from Freshdesk or Zendesk, so if you're a business that's always on the move, this could be a limitation. The 12th thing is its scalability. While Hiver works great for smaller to mid-sized teams, larger companies with more complex needs may run into limitations as they scale. If you're looking for a more robust solution with a lot of customization options, you might find that platforms like Zendesk or Zoho Desk offer more flexibility as your business grows. To wrap it up, Hiver is a good option for small to mid-sized businesses that are looking for a simple, cost-effective help desk solution with Gmail integration. However, if you want a more feature-packed solution with greater scalability, flexibility, and automation, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.